then again, there's no point living if you can't feel alive.
Well, that would be dumb, wouldn't it?
But then again, everyone knows coppers are dumb.
Surprised you were so easily seduced, but then again, you are a man.
And then again, what your name is? Brittany?
Phenomenal, Gregory. But then again, every private performance by the Bolshoi is a little better when it's forbidden.
You don't know Benjamin.
Perhaps not. But then again, I have this.
What do you think?
I don't know what to think. But then again, I just found out about it.
But then again, an affair you can explain to friends in a minute. For this, you put on a pot of coffee.
How you doing, guys?
Mike, how do you respond to people who say that your show is offensive?
Well, it is. But then again, so's the truth.
You finally caught me, yet now you need me more than ever. But then again, you've always needed me, haven't you, Mr. Powers?
If you need to see a doctor, my cousin in Florida is a good one. But then again, the bumpy bus ride might kill you.
The sooner I can start to party, the sooner I can start to forget.
But then again, hey, if you keep running from every reminder of the tornado, doesn't the tornado win?
Who is it? Oh, some guy Tom Gordon? I don't remember him. But then again, I touched so many lives.
You're a brave warrior. You deserve a better death. Then again.
What a good idea. But then again, without a pilot, nobody even gets off this mountain.
All I see is 4 women who killed a guy with a candlestick and dumped his body in the woods. But then again, what do I know about art?
You get knocked down, you get back up. Maybe that's what he wanted you to learn. But then again, that would be an emotional response. One that can't be explained or quantified.
It's a nice place. Maybe I'll even stick around for one more night.
Well, I heard it was all booked. But then again, you do know the owner.